Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Canva brand kit for consistent US branding. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the brand kit option. If you haven't yet created a brand kit, select Create a brand kit. If you already have a brand kit, find the one you wish to update. Start by updating your brand colors. Click on the Color Palette section. Add your primary brand colors by clicking the plus button and entering the hex codes. If you need to adjust any colors, simply click on them and modify as needed. Next, update your brand fonts. Scroll down to the Fonts section. Choose your primary font by clicking the Font Selection drop-down. You can upload custom fonts if your brand has a specific style. For secondary fonts, repeat this process, ensuring they complement your primary choice. Now, add your brand logos. Select the Logo section. Upload your logo by clicking on the Upload a Logo button. Position and resize your logo according to your branding style. You can upload multiple versions, such as a full-color version and a monochrome one. Next, add any brand images or graphics. Go to the Brand Images section. Upload images that resonate with your brand identity. Ensure these images are high resolution and fit your brand aesthetics. If your brand utilizes specific design elements, consider adding them to your brand kit. Once you have updated all sections, review for consistency. Make sure all colors, fonts, and logos align with your overall branding strategy. After confirming everything looks good, click the Save button. Your brand kit is now updated and ready for use. Start creating consistent branded content across your projects. This will help maintain uniformity and recognition in your branding efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.